What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Crystal Restore before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Crystal Restore works. What is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is not just another supplement. It's a revolutionary formula that helps you harness the power of manifestation like never before. By taking this daily tablet, you can open your third eye, revealing hidden truths and allowing you to create a whole new reality. How does Crystal Restore work? The magic of Crystal Restore lies in its potent blend of ingredients that work synergistically to support greater manifestation. Say goodbye to financial struggles, attract your ideal life partner, and find work that truly aligns with your passions. With Crystal Restore, you'll experience radiant health, endless vitality, and a life free from suffering, without the need for expensive gurus or complex rituals. By taking one dropper of Crystal Restore daily, you'll reactivate the crystals in your pineal gland, clearing out disruptive fluoride buildup and reopening spiritual channels. This will enable you to receive clear intuitions, creative sparks, and divine inspiration, turning your wildest dreams into reality. Powerful ingredients for maximum benefits. Crystal Restore is formulated with a blend of powerful ingredients known for their benefits in enhancing spiritual and physical well-being. Chlorella, known for its detoxifying properties. Chlorella helps remove heavy metals and fluoride from the body, supporting a healthy pineal gland. Iodine, essential for thyroid function. Iodine also plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the pineal gland. Shilajit, a potent source of fulvic acid. Shilajit enhances nutrient absorption and boosts energy levels. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Turmeric supports overall brain health and enhances spiritual clarity. Ginkgo biloba, this ancient herb improves blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and supporting meditation practices. Pine extract, extract from pine trees containing pycnogenol, a powerful antioxidant. This plant protects sensitive pineal tissues against toxins like fluoride, restoring the natural positive charge of spiritual manifestation crystals. Reduces inflammation in the brain and pineal gland. For all the ingredients and specific benefits, I recommend checking the product's official website. How to use Crystal Restore. Crystal Restore comes in an easy-to-use dropper bottle. Simply take one dropper full of the liquid formula each day. Notice the rapid transformation in your life as you continue using it for at least 90 days to achieve the best results. How safe is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is crafted to ensure safety and contains only natural ingredients in it. Therefore, we can conclude that the supplement does not have anything that might be harmful to the body. Additionally, the manufacturer has only created the formula by adding the ingredients in the right proportions. The formula also does not have any preservatives or allergens. Crystal Restore. Where to buy? You will only find Crystal Restore on the official website. So take advantage of this offer today by clicking the link below to secure your discount.